And here it is, my awesome ETOE projector, portable projector that supports 4K, but it's actually 1080p native, so 1080p for sure, and it can support 4K through on streaming, thing like that, but it will perform better in HD, 1080p HD. Anyway, that's how it is, that's how it arrived. The box looks nice, but let's see what's inside. It's right now. First of all, we do have the projector itself, and look at that. It comes in a nice bag. Let's put that on the side for now. Then we do have accessory box right here. Nicely presented too, I like it. And that's all for the box. Now let's see what we have in the accessory box. First, we do have the remote control, power cable, and power block. And of course, the user manual. Now it's the big reveal time for the projector. Here we go. I like the bag actually. Look at that, this nice storage / transportation bag made of soft material. It's great, and ta-da, the projector inside it looks even better. Oh, I like the design, round edges and smooth surface, so that's great. And here we go, guys. The beast, it's out of the bag. Wow, that's great. And that's all for the bag. And here we go, the nice ETOE projector right there. So of course here we do have the projector lens, autofocus and automatic keystone, which allow the projector to automatically focus the image without any intervention from you. But of course you can manual focus if you want. And of course the keystone means that if your screen is a little bit bent, or if it's a little bit on the weird angle, the projector will adjust automatically the pictures, as you can see here. So that's all great feature on this projector. And here we do have the laser system that will measure the distance between the projector and the screen to do all those automatic settings. On the back of the device here we do have a few ports, like the power input here to plug the power block of the projector, USB port, so I believe you can just plug your USB key with movie on it and then it will play directly on the projector. Of course HDMI port, so you can connect anything HDMI, your computer or any HDMI source to it and it will play it. And IR receiver, infrared receiver here, so when you use the remote control, be sure to point it behind the projector in this direction. If you point it from the front of the projector, it's not going to work, but usually when you watch video you are behind the projector, you're not front of it, so that should not be a problem. And the last but not the least, you have this auxiliary audio output, so you can plug some headphone, for instance, if you like, directly here using this 3.5mm port right there. Also hidden under this panel there is another device, which is actually the Hakomini TV box. So right there it's equipped with this device, Hakomini TV box included in the projector. So it was hidden in this panel. I guess you don't have to replace it or to move it unless you want maybe to upgrade it, I don't know, in the future maybe. But here it is, Hakomini TV box, which is supposed to be a Google certified TV box right here. And on the top of the device we do have the classic button, return OK, with the menu up, down, left, right, and the off on, the power button, off on button. And on the bottom of the device we do have 4 rubber feet here, and of course the specification of the device. Right when you turn on the projector you can of course select the language. The device has a very good speaker. Let me reduce the sound. The device has a really good speaker. very powerful. I was not able to talk anymore, but here we go. Now it's the next part of the setting where we have to do a Bluetooth pairing to enable voice search if you want. There we go, connection successful. And here if you want you can sign in on your Google account. That way you can get all your Google TV show and all your preference pass over to the projector. I'm going to skip this step for now. And here, if you want, you can enter your Netflix login account, or you can purchase a subscription, up to you, and you can have access to the whole Netflix network right there with this projector. So that's pretty neat. And here, if you don't want to set up any Google or Netflix or Amazon account, you can just plug your HDMI input right there, or a USB key to read the movie directly from the key, or from, of course, your HDMI source. Here you go guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, hope this video has been useful for you. I really like this little projector, it does everything that I wanted it to do, and it looks very awesome. Alright, thanks again for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.